Congruency. So what is congruency? Congruence it deals with shape and size. If they are same, the object, the figure are said to be congruent. It's as simple as that. Okay. So we said to have two pens to be congruent. That is, if I buy, if I buy a pair of pen which is from the same company with the same model and things like that, color doesn't matter. The shape and size are same, right? 99% of the cases they will be same. We said so we can tell that those two objects are congruent. Those two pens are congruent. We have two buildings that can be congruent. So brothers a big plot is there and they build the houses next to each other. We can tell that two structures are congruent, right? So congruency has to do with the shape and size to be same. Two people can also be congruent. Identical twin, right? So in polynomials, that is when you talk about triangles or quadrilateral or polygons, sorry. In polygons, we can have congruency when if the shape and size is same. That is, if I draw a triangle, if I copy it, and if I paste it, right? These are congruent. It's literally the same thing, right? So these two triangles are said to be congruent. So in place of this, if I happen to draw something like this, right? These two are congruent. These two are congruent. So what I'm trying to tell here is the orientation doesn't matter. This is upside down. This is Sida. It doesn't matter. It can be in any direction. The congruency will not care about that. Okay. This is a bit of information just for your knowledge. The next important thing is the representation. Triangle ABC. Let me write a line below. It helps. Triangle ABC. Say it's congruent to triangle um, PQR. So what information can you derive if you see something like this? We can tell that length AB is equal to PQ. Length AB is equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to QR. AC is equal to PR. Length AC is equal to PR. Then angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B, okay, angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Angle C is equal to angle R. So this is the information that you can derive. But in place of this, if I happen to write this, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. Will you get the same set of things? No. Here AB is equal to PR. So please observe the difference. Right? These are not the same. BC is equal to RP. BC is equal to RP and AC is equal to QP. AC is equal to QP. And angle A is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle R. Angle C is equal to angle P. So this is a set of information that you can derive from this particular representation. So if you write the order to be, see, PQR and PQR, they are the same letters, but the order is different. So order matters. It matters in congruency, it matters in similarities also, this chapter as well. So that is something that I want you guys to be clear with. And different ways to prove two triangles are congruent. How do we do it? By SAS, ASA, RHS, SSS. There are 4 ways to prove that. And this is something that you need to recall. S stands for side and A stands for angle. And this side is corresponding, right? Angle. A is corresponding, sorry, this is corresponding side, this is corresponding angle. The word corresponding, right, include, it is between 2 angles and stuff. So that is all something that you need to recall and come over here. Okay. So revise all of those and then start the chapter.